Welcome to Happy Joy Art. Today we will be drawing and coloring a Rubik's Cube. Now let's get started. First, I'm drawing the top. Now let's draw the sides. Nice! It looks 3D. Now, let's draw these lines to make it look like a Rubik's Cube. I think I can make these lines look a lot better. Whoa, cool! It looks a lot nicer. Let's paint. Red. Orange. Wow, cool! I love the pattern already. Yellow. Whoa, yellow is so bright. Green. Whoa, this green is actually kind of bright. Blue. Well, this color is very pretty. Done! Whoa, cool! Let's move on. Let's learn numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's color. I'm coloring 0 with red. I'm coloring 1 with orange. I'm coloring 2 with yellow. I'm coloring 3 with green. I'm coloring 4 with blue. I'm coloring 5 purple. I'm coloring 6 with silver. I'm coloring 7 pink. I'm coloring 8 brown. I'm coloring 9 orange. Let's review. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay, we're done! Time to continue. I'm going to be coloring these emojis some wacky colors. I'm using yellow. This emoji has a very big smile. Let's color the mouth with red. Let's color this emoji green. He looks very happy and hungry. Let's color his tongue red. Let's color this emoji magenta. This emoji looks like she's laughing at something really funny. I'm going to make these laughing tears blue. Let's color the mouth red. This emoji has purple. Also, cool glasses. I'm coloring this emoji red. This emoji looks very happy. And look at his halo. It's floating. And let's color his halo blue. I'm coloring this emoji orange. This emoji looks like he accidentally did something wrong. He's even sweating. I'll color this drop of sweat yellow. And a red mouth. Now let's add some accessories. It's got some clown hair, some bunny ears, some bear ears, a mustache, some wings, and glasses. Let's color the accessories. Wow, it looks great! Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. Please subscribe.